So, 2024 Bmw F900R. I just picked it up 1.5 months ago. Already did 1,500 kilometers. I did the first check, everything is well. And I also changed a few things. I already did the mirrors, these are high-siders. Also I got this thing here, already bought it with the bike. Later on I will get a holder and a charging station from BMW itself. I got this little turtle here, this is from my dad, he also rides a BMW. Then I for sure ordered another exhaust, GPR Furore Nero, I think it is. Yeah, this thing is really, this is the best on the bike. Yeah, these are the things I already changed. I think I'm going to change these in the future with some clean and black ones. I just don't like the look. It's, for me it's too big here, and it's, I just don't like the color. Also I wanna change the handlebars and these things here, but this has time. Also I want to get a shorter back because this is pretty long if you look at it from the distance. And I have a big license plate, I need to change that in the future. Yeah. Good weather today in Germany. I would say we go for a ride and I show you a little bit more. So let's turn it on and get a sound check. I hope the mic gets that pretty good. Yeah, there we are on the road. I still got some microphone issues because the wind is getting in my helmet. I don't know how to fix it yet, but yeah, I think there are some noises when I drive a little bit faster. Yeah. So, new display. This is the standard view. But I kinda like the sport view. I don't know. For me this looks way better, way better. Let's talk about the cost. I'm gonna show you a picture of what I put into this bike. I honestly put nearly everything in it that you can put in it. And this costs me 11,500 euros. It could depend on your local dealership. Maybe you need to pay 12,000, maybe 10,000. And I mean, it's BMW. It's, what can I say? Yeah, this turtle here is the second best thing I did on the bike. The first is the exhaust, second this thing, and the third are the mirrors, because I just can pack everything in here, keys, phone, and when I'm home or at some place where I need to shut off my bike, I can just get it off. Robert! Hi! Ja. Ja, perfekt. Danke auch so, ciao ciao. This was a perfect example. I just love this idea. You can connect your phone and your helmet. I'm so in love with BMW bikes. So guys, when I edited the video, I saw that I stopped talking for nearly 30 minutes and I forgot to tell you a little bit more about the bike. So today, again, beautiful weather, still dirty. Look at all those flies. Damn. Already told you about the mirrors, about the exhaust. I forgot the quick shifter. Obviously, when I put everything in here, I ordered the quick shifter. This thing here, and the sound with quick shifter and with this exhaust is so amazing. I can't get enough of this. I'm so in love. It's beautiful, just beautiful. Also, pretty interesting. For the turtle thing here, you can get it off just like this. You need to not so easy. You need to pull that red band here, just like this. Yeah, then you can get it off and yeah, walk off with this thing. Pretty easy if you want to steal it, right? But in this thing you got this little thing and there's a hole in here, and if you put it on your bike and put it in the hole, you can't pull the red band here, can't get it off. Also, because when someone wants to steal it, of course they could just open it and pull that out, but you have a lock here. Put that together, have your code, put that in here, just like this, yeah. And it's locked, you can't get it open, can't get it from your bike. So if you are lazy and don't want to walk around with this thing, you can just lock it. I think these are the parts I forgot. I mean, it's my first video in English as a non-native English speaker. I think you can understand if I forget something or don't speak very well about things. If you have any questions, comment below. I will try to answer everything. Follow me on Instagram. I post daily pictures and short clips of my bike, and you can ask me everything there. One last thing I forgot to tell you. In Germany you need a DB killer. I don't know if other European countries have this and how it is in the UK, US and Asia. I think there you don't need it because in Germany there are pretty strict rules. The DB killer is a thing that is inside the exhaust, and it makes your sound lower. If you don't have this in your exhaust and you put it out and the police stops you, you won't drive anymore. It depends on how the mood of the police is. If they want, they can say that you don't drive until you get it back in. I have a friend who put it out and the police stopped him and shut down the motorcycle. He was not allowed to drive anymore, and I think he also needed to pay something. I don't think I need to tell you about all the other parts like what's this, or what's this, or what's this, or what's this. It's a 2-cylinder, 105 horsepower, 77 kW. As I said, if you have any questions, comment down below. I will try to answer everything. And now enjoy raw sound without me talking, just driving on the Autobahn in the city on this beautiful day, 29 degrees Celsius. Perfect, just perfect. I love this track.